So today we're going to Agario. And today I'm as my real name Nap. Don't touch me. Cambodia, come here. Huh? Gonna eat me. We're safe, really? No, we're gonna die here. Thailand, come here, come here. Thailand, come here, you punk. Come here. Really, we're safe. Don't! Fuck you! Ending. Oh no, he ate me! I'm small. Why you gonna chase me? What you gonna do now? Gonna split you up like you. I'm gonna get some more food. Where's somebody small? Like you punk, come here, me. I'm hungry. Come here, you punk. No, don't try to do this to me. No. I'm green 1123 because I'm green. Oh no, yellow. I think slime. Where's something small? Come here. I'm hungry now. First of all, I'm gonna eat you first because oh yeah, best. You're not the best Agario in this. Anyway, dude. Don't trying to chase me. You punk. Japan. Feed me, Japan. I have 46, which is cool. China not gonna eat you because we're same. Come on, Team India. No. If I split that because it's small. Whoa! Thank you, what? No. Goyo! We're not trying to sleep now because I'm small. You can't come here! I'm hungry. Upstairs okay, not gonna sad. Come here, you. That's mine, I said. Oh, thank you for 2 balls. One more to go. Don't you do this to me, you punk. Don't you do this to me, you punk. Come here. Not you, spider. Not you, spider. Huh? Pop split. No. Oh. You too, you punk. No. Pay the place. Feed me. Okay, he's not gonna feed me, guys. Because thank you for you. Dog is here. Come here, you punk. You punk. Come here. Why are you scared all to me? Huh? Bram's army, come here. You two. You two, come here. Come here. Come here. Don't recombine. Come on. Don't you dare do this to me. Oh, we popped.
Okay. Feeding. Why is he feeding?
He's feeding himself.
Oh.
See?
Okay, then he's huge.
No! Triple jumbos 8 nay, guys. Actually, I'm level 15. Oh!
Oh.
Let's make this.
Who is that?
Look me. I had my
That's
dribble knife. No! Doesn't really work with me. No, they're doing this to me. Why? Look at me. It's cool. Because I'm in the mall shopping, buying my tablet where we are recording and someone's aiming kids food. But I can go, I can go. Don't you dare to do this to me, you punk. You punk. Yeah, I eat mandibles first and trying to eat this arcade first. No! My mind, this agarro is, and it's large actually. Here, come here, star. No! That's mine. You stole it from me. That's mine and you stole it. Don't first, don't you dare do this to me, no. No. Come here. I don't know what's your name, but stop. Come here. Thank you. Somebody. Okay. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. There you go. It's fine. Don't you do this to me. Okay, how many times do I die? I think 5 times. Stolen to me. Trying to chase me. Come here. Come here, feed me. Sorry, not you, Jamie. Okay, good now, guys. Someone's chasing me. Don't know why it's me. But first of all, someone's chasing me. And you're big girl. Don't split. Said. Wait, serious. Come here. me, Mars.
Ang ganda ng choice mo talaga
Mas
ng awitin
consider
dahil
this.
gusto ko talaga ng awitin nila at Dharma. So, palagay ko nga, sobrang bagay talaga sa quality.
Don't is trying to pit me. Someone's aiming.
Feel ko na lang may mga parts
Hey,
lang
again,
na
the
so
things
talaga
again.
nasanado ka. So, I just wanna make sure
Oh,
na
it's
talagang
legal.
inaano ko yung tenga ko. Isa ako sa mga
Cool. I mean,
surname, huwag mo muna i-go sa iyo. Kasi nga,
Right,
bagay
I'm
na bagay
dying.
ang awitin na to sa boses mo. Pero ayun, siguro makakatulong din sa'yo sa mga ganito klaseng awitin. Is soulful. Mag-groove ka, i-groove mo yung katawan mo. Pag sinasabi mo ka kasi ng ang medyo sayaw, ganyan, yan, right?
Uno, don't you dare do this to me. Yes, why do you... I appreciate that.
Pero totoo yun, kasi nakakatawa.
How much time do I die?
Yung flow ng awitin. Pag ba't galaw ba ako ng
So,
gano'n?
isip mo lang si Daisy. Daisy na tingan, gano'n. Gano'n. Tapos si Daisy ba, kahit ang kinakantay mo pag hinira, kala mo may mga kababayan ko.
Totoo yun.
So, kahit kumain ng taxi, gano'n yan.
Come here, team. Down. Okay, guys. That's the end of the video. Hope you did every question. That's a fun.